In today's video I will share my design of the Insta360 One R Boosted battery cage with the hot shoe mount for the Rode Wireless Go microphone. And if that is why you came here, scroll to the 3 minutes 36 seconds and get the link in the description. However, making videos is the way how I express my creativity, and if you would let it play till the end, you would support the growth and the monetization of my channel. Thank you very much for it, and now let's jump in. Insta360 One R is one of the leading 360 cameras on the market right now, and I absolutely love it. I have only two problems when using it. Problem number one is the sound quality. If there is any wind, the sound quality is so bad that basically my footage becomes unusable. But there is a solution: Rode Wireless Go microphone. This microphone eliminates almost any wind noise, even when I'm riding at decent speeds, as you can probably see on the GPS right now. The second huge benefit is that I can leave my camera far away, record myself, and record my voice, yeah! However, when you use the original cage of the Insta360 One R, there is nowhere to mount the microphone on the camera. Solution for that came straight from the 3D printer, and there is a complete video on it. Of course, the link is in the description of this video below. The second problem for me is that I constantly run out of the battery. It always happens when I'm about to land the best trick of the day or something like that. But fear not, Insta360 recently came up with a solution for it, and it is the boosted battery base. But as you can already probably predict it, it won't fit into the cage. And if we use the mounting pegs, there is again nowhere to mount the microphone. Therefore, I was forced to open the Fusion 360 CAD application again and design a new cage for the boosted battery base for 3D printing. I made it wider, stronger, and without the bolts. It has the click fix function, as it doesn't need to hold the camera anymore. The camera is held on the metal pegs, and the cage only holds the microphone. This part of the cage helps to make sure your cable is not getting into the shot. After I spent a couple of my evenings making prototypes, here it is.
And with this case you cannot see the cable or the case
or the selfie stick that goes like a unicorn horn, in this case from my head. Perfect! Actually, it has some flaws. It is huge, it's not really comfortable to remove unless you have long nails. It is annoying when you need to take it off of the mount, but hey, it holds the microphone. I think I will make a better version as the time goes on, but if you need something to hold your Wireless Go microphone right now, just grab the file, download, and print it for yourself. There is a link to the Thingiverse website where you can get this file completely for free, download it, slice it on the slicer, and print it on your or your friend's 3D printer. It's free. And if you made it this far into this video, I wanted to say a huge thank you. You are already supporting my channel. If you would like to support it even more, consider hitting the like button, subscribing to Shimo, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Cheers, mate.